Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Here is another job opportunity for you. Pickers and packers are needed in the UK. Start as soon as possible. Are you interested in working in the UK as a picker and packer? Then this video is for you. We will share a link for you to upload your cover letter and CV directly. Watch this video all the way through as it would help you in writing your CV. We have shared the following: job description, main duties, qualifications, and how to apply for this job. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Job title: picker and packer. Job type: full-time or part-time. Pickers and packers are essential employees in various industries, particularly in warehouses, distribution centers, and retail settings. They play a crucial role in ensuring the efficient and accurate handling of products, orders, and shipments. Here's a typical job description for pickers and packers. Job description: as a picker and packer, you will be responsible for selecting and preparing items for shipment or delivery according to company procedures. Your role involves accurately picking the right products from inventory and packaging them securely for distribution to customers or other destinations. Attention to detail, efficiency, and adherence to safety protocols are essential for success in this role. Main duties: receive picking orders from supervisors or computer systems. Locate items in the warehouse or storage area based on order requirements. Ensure accurate item selection, checking for quality and quantity. Prepare items for shipment by assembling boxes, packing materials, and ensuring proper labeling. Inspect items for damage and ensure they are packaged securely to prevent breakage during transit. Select appropriate packing materials, such as bubble wrap or foam, to protect fragile items. Report any damaged or defective items to supervisors or quality control personnel. Maintain accurate records of inventory levels. Notify supervisors of low stock items to facilitate restocking. Qualifications: you don't require academic qualifications, but some employers may require a high school diploma. No previous experience in a warehouse, distribution, or similar is needed but is a plus. Physical stamina and the ability to lift and move heavy items. Attention to detail and accuracy. Excellent organizational and time management skills. And teamwork abilities. Salary: the salary for pickers and packers can vary widely based on location, industry, and experience level. You will be paid £10.50 an hour and £14.45 overtime. Benefits: you will have 28 days of paid annual leave, weekly pay, and pension contribution options. How to apply? Click the link in the description box and submit your application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.